Hello everyone. Today I'm here with the story The Night We Won the Buick. Okay, let's start. Let's clear meaning of Buick. It is model of car built in America. Now, theme. The story is about money and character. John Graves is author of the story. He was a British writer, historian, and a politician. He was born on 15th April 1924 and died in 31st December 2001. Let's begin with story. It was just before Second World War. The family lives in New York. There are three members: father, mother, and son. Son is writer of the story. You can say writer or the narrator. They lived in New York, but they didn't own a car. It was embarrassing for them that they didn't have a car. They had Shetland pony. Shetland pony means a horse breed with thick coat. Name of pony was Barkis. It was named by narrator's mother. Barkis was an eyesore for narrator. Eyesore means something that is very ugly. Why he didn't like Barkis? Because he wanted a car. Every step of pony reminds him of his poverty. The father of narrator worked as clerk. Clerk means who keeps the record of accounts in office. He earned modest income. Modest means sufficient. But his father is a very kind person. He was giving the charity. His father used to give half of his salary to sick and poor relatives. For the family, it was mortgaged. Mortgage means borrowed money from bank using house for security. Even sometimes they used to bring grocery in credit. Narrator's mother was very simple lady, though his father was very kind. His mother confronted the family by saying, "If you have character, you had better part of wealth." But teenager son disagreed with his mother's views. Now one day moment of happiness appeared in narrator's life. For many weeks in the country fair, a Buick Roadmaster standing as a bumper prize, a beautiful car raffled off. Raffled off means offered as prize in a lucky draw. Narrator was much eager to know about winner. So he also went to fair. After watching fireworks, he stayed beyond the throng. Throng means crowd of people, or you can say crowd. Now, Mayor came on the stage to announce the winner of bumper prize. It was lottery number 348. The winner was his father. It was happiest moment of his life. The Lady Luck would smile upon his only family. Mayor presented father with the keys. He saw a beautiful Buick standing on the door. He is remarked as narrator here. Okay. So he went near the Buick. He touched everything. The luxurious interior had that wonderful new car smell. He saw his father's figure through the rear window. Rear window means the window side of a car. He ran to talk to his father, but his father was in bad mood. To know about his father's anger, he ran to his mother to know the reason. His father is struggling with an ethical problem. Narrator asked, "What is ethical problem?" His mother explained that your father bought 2 tickets. One for himself, other for his boss, Jim Kendrick. He is 4th character in story. On buying the tickets, boss didn't pay money. The winning ticket 348 belongs to Jim Kendrick. as his father marked small K on it. It is mentioned as a ticket. He purchased 2 tickets, 348 and 349. He wrote small k for Jim Kendrick. After hearing this explanation, the narrator had decided that his father should keep the car. Jim Kendrick is millionaire. He earned dozen cars, so he should keep it. Narrator's father came to the room back and he called Jim Kendrick, his boss. It was midnight when he called his boss. His boss was sleeping at the time. Kendrick's phone rang for a long time, but finally a servant answered. He explained everything to Jim Kendrick. Next afternoon, Kendrick's 2 chauffeurs, chauffeur means driver for private vehicles, arrived in station wagon. They drove the Buick. The time passed, narrator grew up and became an adult. He worked hard and on the car because he could afford it. But he never forgot his mother's aphorism. If you have character, you have better part of wealth. The narrator realized they were never richer than they were at the moment when Dad made telephone call. The end. Hope you understood the story. If you like video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Meet you in next video. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.